What is up, Vibe Nation? It's about 9 o'clock in the morning right now. We are off for another weekend of camping at Jubilee Lake. If you haven't noticed yet, we really love going to Jubilee Lake. It's just close. It's very outdoorsy with the woods, with the trees, with the lake out there. So we really do enjoy going out there. We go to other places too, but I think Jubilee Lake is our #1 spot. We're actually gonna go and try to find a first come, first serve campsite. The thing with those, if you may notice from my previous videos, is you don't really know if you're gonna get a spot. And so we're gonna go check Jubilee Lake, and then we have another spot right up Jubilee Lake if we can't find anything there, which is a little different though, because there's no amenities there, like no bathrooms, there's no garbage cans, stuff like that. But it doesn't matter when you're camping. You gotta learn to adapt and be willing to be a little bit uncomfortable sometimes. So let's go. So here we are at our campsite today. Our first come first serve plan did not pan out. Everything was filled up over at the lake. So we came to option B, which still has access to the lake. We're just not on the actual campground. So there's no bathrooms, there's no water out here. But our spot is very spacious and it's free. So we don't really mind that we don't have water or bathrooms, because we do have a portable little bathroom set up, and then we also have our water jug, so we don't really mind that too much. And like I said, this spot is free, so time to set up, and yeah, let's go. Now that we got camp set up, we're gonna go ahead and get some water. Like I said, this spot doesn't have any water, any bathrooms. So we're gonna go fill our water jugs with water. We have 2 of them, they're 7 gallons each, 14 gallons. It's more than enough for what we need. So let's go get that, let's go. All right, camp is fully set up. We ended up putting our tent over here. I know it's facing awkwardly, but when you're out in these spots, you got to find the flattest areas, and that's kind of where it worked out best for us. Over there, we got campfire area, cooking area / all our gear and stuff like that. Got our water cleaning or hand washing station over there, and a tent is gonna go right there, another tent possibly over there, not quite sure yet, but we'll see what happens. Let's go. So another important thing about camping that I would really emphasize is to stay organized. I typically bring 2 bins just to have different things in there that I need. My coolers obviously in here even is pretty organized. Like I said, don't take the ice out, leave it like that. You're creating sort of like a refrigerator. I have all my food in here. I have all our drinks in this one. There is a loose one in there. I took the bag out so they're actually cold, but still keep one like that. And the Yeti contains basically Dario's ice and some more water. So just important to stay organized, and it'll help out a lot. So like I said, we do have access to the lake, but we do have to come over here through this little trail, as you can see right in front of me. It's maybe like a 5-minute walk, honestly. We take our cart, we take everything that we need. It's not hard to get there. So we really like this spot over here. Like I said, yeah, there's no amenities like the bathroom and the water, but we honestly do not mind that at all. We'll just go down this little trail and we get to the lake. So let's go check it out. You know, it's kind of funny. One of the biggest things that people would tell me once I was gonna have a child was, well, your outdoor adventures are over. It looks like, you know, that's gonna be gone. And truthfully, I feel like they've gone up. This kid has gone camping, I think, more times than I even gone in my lifetime. I have not been able to join him as much because of my DJ business in the past, but now that kind of slowed down, I've been able to come out almost every time he's gone to camp this year, and I truly enjoy it. And I understand that it's not for everybody. It is a challenge to organize yourself, get everything ready, kind of watch over him, be, you know, that extra energy that it takes, basically. And all your parents out there, you know. But honestly, if this is something that you really like to do, if this is your style of living or you want to get into it, don't let a child hold you back, man. If anything, this helps them develop. It helps them grow. It helps them learn a lot of things. He loves it. He loves being out here. And I don't know, like, if you guys have any, you know, questions or things you need to know about how I handle my little guy out here, feel free to reach out. I'd love to connect. Or those of you that are already out there even doing more challenging things than I am out here, feel free to connect. Let's go. Look at his shirt. Oh my gosh, man. That's the life. He's living. Hey, are you happy? Uh-huh. Do you like camping?
Yes, I'm happy.
¿Te gusta ir a acampar?
Sí.
¿Sí? ¿Te gusta venir a acampar?
Sí.
So here we are pulling up to the lake. As you can see it right behind these trees over here. It's not that long of a walk, like I said, maybe like a 5 to 6 minute walk, and then you pull up right to the little trail that goes around the whole lake. So yeah, as you can see, the walk here is very, very close. The lake in and of itself, or the campground, has a trail that goes around the whole lake, and that trail actually meets up with the trail that leads to where we're camping. And so that's why we don't really mind camping over there, because it's a really short walk. And look, we're already here. It's been like 5 minutes. Wow, ¿son de árboles? ¿Sabes qué tipo de árbol es? ¿Sabes qué tipo de árbol es? Oh, ese es de un árbol que se llama árbol mortinero. No te creas, no sé ni qué estoy diciendo. That's the spot where the Outdoor Boys filmed his intro. Well, we've just been relaxing here a little bit, waiting for Stephanie's parents, and as soon as they get here, we'll help them set up and get dinner going. Let's get it, let's go. Ahí está, ahí van llegando. Let's get it, ahí van llegando. Ahí está, ¿era? ¿Qué? ¿Qué más queremos? Una mesita. Que tener el juego portátil, vámonos. I wanted to show you guys my bathroom in the woods. This area is about 20 yards from our actual campsite. These trees are all close to each other, so we put this tarp around it. String only, no nails. You take the lock off real quick and you come right inside. As you can see, there's garbage, there's a little bit of toilet paper there. And this little toilet thing, circa Sears 1993, it even flushes. I mean, what more do you need? Lock it right up, do your business, and it's good to go. Oh no! A darle con la licuadora, vamos. ¡Vámonos! What the heck?
¿Qué sabor tiene, oiga?
Menos picky.
Oh.
No se crea,
What flavors do you have?
One strawberry white peach.
Yeah, thank you. Here's your tips.
Oh yeah, cookie instead of chocolate. It's hella good. ¿Qué pasó, bro? Well, that is it for day number 1 of this camping trip. My little one's already nice and snuggled in, ready for bed, and well, now it's my turn. So let's see what we get into tomorrow. Let's go. Buenos días, raza. Son las 8 de la mañana y no he tomado nada. Let me tell you something. It was super cold last night. That space heater that I have really does work. It really does help. But I'm telling you, get a good sleeping bag. There's some cheaper ones, you know, it'll tell you the degrees that they're, you know, able to be for. So get yourself a good sleeping bag. You can bring your little Mexican blankets if you want. Obviously it helps, but I'm a big fan of the sleeping bags for these situations. Like I said, that space heater we have definitely also helps. Let's go, man.
No, quieres subir.
¿Te quieres subir? Ok, súbete pues. Vámonos. Vámonos. We are now on our way to go get some firewood. Sorry, I just had to go up this big hill. But yeah, we're gonna go get some firewood so we can have a nice little fire going this morning. It's just a lot better when you have a little fire when you're camping. We've came camping and you're not allowed to have fires because of fire season and all that stuff. And it's just not quite exactly the same as when you can have fires, but you always want to stay safe as always. So yeah, we're gonna go down this trail. that we were here yesterday to go down to the lake, but there's a lot of fallen timber, as you may see. Maybe we can get some good pieces and yeah, get our fire going. Let's go. Now this. No te pasa nada. So this is what I mean by leaving your garbage, people. Don't be leaving your garbage. Come on, I bet this has been here since like the 4th of July. I bet you. Pick up your garbage, man. So right here's a good little piece to get my fire started. I'm gonna break it up and that'll be my fire starter.
Blancanieves.
¡Ay! ¡Ay! ¿Te la comes?
No, te dio panza. Un batecito a mano. Está la flama, ahí está la flama por si dudaban. Truthfully, one of the biggest things I love about camping is just that like primal that comes out in you. It's like you're just out here not eating the cleanliest, but it's still amazing. I mean, look at this. Look at this tostada over here. It's got beans, it's got chorizo, egg, sausage, queso fresco, hot sauce. Are you kidding me? And then just something about being just out here in the middle of the woods. You just can't beat it. You just can't beat it. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So good. Ya cayó el leñito. Si nos costó mucho trabajo. We are back on the trail. We're gonna go to the lake for a little bit, you know, get wet, cool down. It's not that hot out here, don't get me wrong, but it's hot enough to go in the water and cool off. So you may also be noticing that I have the same clothes on. Yep, I do have the same clothes. We're camping. Not too worried about being clean. That's what's awesome about this. You just get to be out here in your primal state and enjoy it. Let's get it. Let's go. So we made it to our wonderful destination, our chilling spot right here. We're gonna go ahead and inflate the paddleboard because apparently that is a fad right now. Everybody's doing it,
Hey,
including us.
mine was 4 years ago. This was reason that everybody's into paddleboard.
Yeah, it's true
And
though.
camping.
It's true. COVID changed a lot of things. I understand, but like I always say, if you're coming out, just clean after yourselves, man. A lot of you out here coming, you guys leave a mess, and it's not cool. So clean up. Let's go. All right, we are now moving on to the rope swing. You may have seen me in my last video when I yelled, "Enrique Jesus." So we're gonna go there, give that a try, have some fun there. Let's go. As you're walking along this trail, there's a bunch of spots just off to the side where you can just kind of chill at, you know, have a little picnic. Some spots even have tables, but you do have to get here kind of early, I would say. Right now it's fairly empty on this side of the lake, but on the main part of the campground, it's typically pretty full. So I would suggest if you do want to get a good spot, you don't want to walk too much with your stuff, definitely get here early. Also, these carts, man, they are a lifesaver. I highly suggest everyone, every household, if you can, should own one. I use it for just about everything. We actually got this for our DJ business, but I do plan on getting one personally because I'm telling you, I just use it a lot. So another quick little tip there. Let's go. ¿Estás happy? Also, if you're wondering kind of like the difficulty of this trail and stuff like that, it's pretty moderately easy. I would say just make sure that you take into consideration the amount of time that it actually takes to go around, because the trail is basically like this the whole time. Not too uphill or not too many steepness, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty flat for the most part, but it takes a while to get around, and a lot of people underestimate that and think it's a lot closer, or you can just kind of cut through to get to the main campground, and it's not. You kind of have to go all the way around. Like I said, it takes about 40 minutes to an hour, depends your pace, but it's nice. It's a nice little walk, honestly. My 2-year-old does it and he's chilling, so depends your level of difficulty that you can endure, I guess. Well, things just got pretty interesting here. This is how we're doing it, guys. Going around. Darío, be careful. Duck your head. Oh, man. Baja la cabeza, vale. Okay. All right. We gotta go around. Going down this way now. Avoided all the mud over there. Wow. Well, definitely not looking forward to that on the way back. But who cares, man? That's what this is all about. So this is what I mean by underestimating the trail. I had to take the cart through multiple branches, and it's not the easiest thing to do. So maybe a cart like this is not the best for the trail as a whole. Yep, I underestimated the length of this trail, yo. Oh my gosh, I feel like I've been walking for freaking days. Jesus. Ahí vamos, ya mero llegamos. Todo rosado, pero ya mero llegamos. Dang, yo, well, bad news. So I got to the rope swing right behind me, but there's a whole crowd of people just chilling there like it's their main picnic spot with a bunch of dogs, a bunch of other stuff. So unfortunately, we cannot really use it. They just kind of took it over, which honestly, I feel like you're not supposed to do that, man. Like, seriously, just use a rope swing and move on. You don't just set up camp. It's like, damn, man. So, oh well, I guess we're just gonna walk around the whole trail, I guess. I really don't want to walk back where I was at. Maybe I'll just get in the water over here where I got in last time. Oh well. So I'm gonna just take some time to talk a little bit about public rope swing etiquette, man. I know these aren't official rules, I get that, but come on, like, you're not just supposed to show up and set up your whole camp or your whole picnic area right there. You just go up, you use it, and you move on. You know, I get it, you can use it 2, 3, 4 times, it makes sense, but to just straight up pull up there and just chill all day, and then multiple people come up and you just still chilling, like, come on, man. All right, de regreso al campamento.
¿Y se te fue, pa, o qué? ¿Se te fue aquí? Fue cuando lo corté.
Un poco solito. Que vean. Man, so I'm here back at the tent. We did a lot of walking, but glad to be back at our campsite. I'm gonna get changed up and go eat some pozole. However, I made a rookie mistake, y'all. Se me olvidan los calzones. Get yourself some of these wipes, yo. Con esto me baño, mira, bien limpiecito.
I slept on the shoes so bad.
Ooh. So delicious.
Careful, it's sharp.
All right, we are now out here foraging for the perfect roasting a weenie stick. Apparently, Stephanie has never had a simple roasted weenie. Have you had a roasted weenie? What the heck? I guess Jaden's never had a roasted weenie either. So we're gonna go find a stick. Remember, don't take sticks off of the trees that are alive. Try to find something on the ground. And yeah, you know, when you find a weenie stick, you gotta find the stick that's gonna be able to support the weenie. It's not like a marshmallow stick. You gotta be able to get one that'll support the weenie but won't cut through the weenie. It's a science. All right, let's I'll show you what I mean, okay? All right, so we found the perfect, well, maybe not the most perfect, but a good roasted weenie stick, and it's right here. See, so you got like the main with a little bit of support right there. You just can't go wrong. Trust me. See, right there, the main with support.
Yeah. Oh, se apagaron again. I think ya no tienen juice.
Damn, valió el palito. All right, we're going with the stabbing method instead. Let's get it. Come on. No me falles. Gotta get the good, you know, embers. Put it on there, you know, give it a good little flipperoo. Oh, that's looking great. That's looking marvelous. Oh, yeah. Nothing like a good little roasted weenie. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Give it a mix. Alrighty, check that out. That is a good roasted weenie. Alright, let's see if they like it. Alright, give it a try. Ow! Hit my head. Give it a try. Wow, looks like you got boogers. It's not, it's your chapstick though. Alright, try it. Watch out, it's hot. What the hell? Get a piece. Some of it's for Jaden. Well, it's about that time. The least fun part of it all. Time to pack up and get out. Make sure if you're coming out here, to leave it like if you were never here at all. It's important to continue to respect nature, to keep it clean, so we can continue using all these areas and stuff like that. So we'll get to cleaning and we're heading out. Until next time, let's go. Psych, video is not over yet. We're actually gonna head to the lake, jump in, maybe try to do a few tricks. You never know. Gosh, my face looks so dusty. Oh my goodness.
Está desesperado.
Ay, sí está fría. Yeah, go. Oh my. Que andamos, miren. Dice que los profesionales allá. Wow. Qué rapidez. Hombre.
¡Te ganas, Jaden!
Ya están listos
Para las Olimpiadas.
para las Olimpiadas. ¡Vámonos! Ya valió, ya se cansó.
Ya valieron las Olimpiadas.
Ya valió las Olimpiadas. Ua, ua, ua.
¿Estás mojando, papi?
Oso.
Yo ya sé cómo. En la primerita me subo. You're literally not going anywhere. You're not moving.
So we're currently out here trying a new route home. Supposedly it was shorter mileage, but it's just straight back hills, off-roading style. So it's fun. We'll see what we get into. Well, what turned out to be a supposedly shorter route, because it does say look at this guy all knocked down. What was supposed to be 39 miles, which to get to Walla Walla from where Jubilee Lake is a little more than that. So we thought 39 miles, why not? But it's straight off-road. If it was just the Tacoma, boom, le damos. But we got, the Ram with the little trailer and all that stuff. So we got to take into consideration that.
We have to go
anyways,
back.
We're going to go back instead. We've literally gone 2 miles and it's been like almost 30 minutes. It's just, we can't go that fast, so we're just gonna turn around. For those of you that are trying to take that route coming towards Troy, and then taking that Walla Walla route, unless you're just straight off-road vehicle, your ATV or like, you know, just your truck, you'll probably be good. But in this case, it's not gonna work for us. Let's get it, let's go. Well, that's it. We are officially back home from a great weekend of camping once again at Jubilee Lake. This time, no amenities, no water, no bathroom, but we made it work as always. Thanks for watching. Until next time, let's go, let's go. Oh, that's looking great. That's looking marvelous.